Yeah. And thereafter, how frequently would you expect to be repeating that process for an organization?
So ideally, we'd recommend that people get their hearing reviewed every 1 to 2 years, just to pick up those changes.
Those
We treat the
trends, yeah.
first one as a benchmark setting, and then from there, with regular checks, we can assess what's changing and also why it's changing. If there's any changes in habits, workplaces, or whether it's down to the dreaded aging. But 1 to 2 years is the ideal. However, at the moment, because nobody is doing it regularly at all, even every 5 years is much better than nothing.